Welcome to LearnLab, your go-to database for mastering AP Science courses. From biology to physics, we have all the study materials that you need to ace your class and exam all in one place. As AP Science students who are currently taking and have previously taken an AP Science course, we noticed that we would sometimes really struggle with finding high quality resources and materials to study and learn for the class. And based on this, we came up with the problem: how might we create a centralized and accessible platform that provides high quality study resources, practice problems, and expert guidance for AP Science students to enhance their confidence, understanding, and exam performance? And based on this, we came up with the idea to create LearnLab, a database that is filled with study materials for specific AP Science classes to allow for students to spend more time studying and less time looking for resources. So now that we came up with our topic, we came up with some interview questions to actually interview students who are currently or have previously taken an AP Science class. And these questions were really revolving around like how difficult they find their class is and why, what they consider a high quality resources for studying, how long they spend studying, does finding resources take a lot of their time, do they feel motivated to study or not, what materials have they previously used in the past, and what are they looking for in a study platform and database. And based on these questions, we interviewed the students and we got really good feedback. And a lot of the feedback, or a common comment that students would mention is that they were looking for a platform that provides practice questions and quizzes that includes answers and detailed explanations for each answer, all in one place, so that they don't really have to go looking for these answers and explanations in different platforms. And a lot of the students were typically very motivated to study for the class, regardless of how difficult it is. And they typically, depending on the student, sometimes they would spend a lot of time looking for content, and other times they might not if the teacher provides it. So, based on this feedback, we created the actual platform, LearnLab.
This is our study section. Our study section is a database which includes different quality resources that students can come visit in order to prepare for their exams and succeed in coursework. So, for demonstration purposes, we are going to look at AP Biology. So, for AP Biology, it is split into two different lists: one for auditory and visual learning sources, and one for kinesthetic learning sources. The reason why we decided to split it up this way is because auditory and visual learning sources often overlap, so students can use these list of resources for both learning styles. And kinesthetic learning sources are typically different types of simulations, so students can go to these websites and interact with different simulations to truly understand how biology works in our world. So, our final list is the review sources that students can use to prepare for their AP exams. And based on different interviews with students who have taken AP Bio, this list includes some of the top resources students have used to get fives on their exam. And we are planning to do this for every single AP Science class there, but due to time constraints, we could only do AP Bio. But in the future, if we were to improve our website, we would have an option for students to create flashcards and have interactive quizzes so students don't have to go to external websites to practice different questions. Thank you so much.